In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can highlight objects in Adobe After Effects. So I have my video here and I want to highlight this flower. First, I'm going to add a new adjustment layer, which you can do by right-clicking here in your project window and then going to New and choosing Adjustment Layer. Or you're going to go on top of here to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer, or press Ctrl-Command, Alt or Option Y. And with this adjustment layer selected, we're going to choose a shape we want to use to highlight the object. In my case, I will use an ellipse. And I will make an ellipse here, holding my Shift key to make a proportionally correct ellipse and my space key to move it around while I'm creating it. So now I have a mask on my adjustment layer. I'm going to go to my effects and presets and search for exposure. And add exposure to my adjustment layer here. Now here in the Effect Controls window, I'm going to set the exposure to -5. And now it's dark, which we do not want. In your mask here, which if it isn't open yet, you can click this arrow until you see mask. We're going to change add to subtract. And now we have this highlighted object. If I open my mask further here, I can feather it so it's not as blunt as it's now. So we now have a highlighted object, but what if I want to start the highlight at a certain time? And I'm going to go, for example, here at 1 second, and I'm going to set the mask opacity to 100. Make a keyframe by clicking the stopwatch, and then going back to the beginning of my timeline and make the opacity 0. And if I now play, as you can see, the mask or the highlight only appears as soon as I want it to appear. If you have an object that moves around quite a lot, you can right-click this mask here and choose Track Mask. And then here in the Tracker window, you can choose to track selected masks forward, and After Effects will track your selected object for you so your highlight stays in place when needed. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.